slime. So first, what you're gonna need is
any type of glue, Elmer's glue,
and shaving cream,
food coloring.
What is saline solution? Probably some essential oils or just oils. We're gonna get started. So first,
we need baking soda and Model Magic.
So first, we're gonna start out by getting 1.5 cups of Elmer's glue.
Okay, so
then you're gonna dump this here. Now I'm just gonna hold it for a while. What? What?
I went a bit over on my glue, but it should be fine. Right?
Okay, we also have this mixing spoon. Oh yeah. So you're gonna get this thing, wipe around it to get all this glue out.
Or on the side of your measuring cup.
Yeah. After this, next is 1.5 cup of shaving cream. Hold on, let's shake it. Yeah, ready? Shake it off. Shake it off. You like that started your video.
Okay,
next thing is food coloring.
What is
yellow and blue make?
I think it makes purple.
That's red and
yeah, it makes purple.
Red and blue.
Mix.
And then I want to add watermelon.
I want to add pineapple. It's obvious you open it. Oh, pineapple.
Hold on.
It smells so good.
Hold on. Whoa! This blue. See? Still kind of mixing it.
What are you doing?
But it's blue.
Do you need the expert to open it? Okay. Done with
Food.
this good. You still need to mix in your scent. Mine's all good.
I'm done now.
Teaspoon. This green one is 1 teaspoon.
Amazing Lord, I did.
Okay.
What are you doing? Hiding from you.
So here's your bandit.
Hey,
We're good. We good. She's fine. So time to put the baking soda. No! Oh, this is looking dirty.
This, we have a perfect thing. And after this, we are gonna add saline solution, but don't add a lot. You want it kind of sticky, but not as bad.
So it's very sketchy when you put the Model Magic in.
So we're just gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not spray.
Let's see how it turns out. Kind of working. Okay, so
we're just gonna mix and mix.
there's something with me in shaving cream and I don't get it.
Do I have anything on my nose? I think mine's good. Nope, it's not.
Okay.
And we're going like boom. Okay, how is yours going, Jimmy?
I'm not sure.
Not ready? Just a little bit more. Oh, this is taking forever. We'll be back in a second.
Mine is sticky. And then why did you... What was after this?
Model Magic, but don't do it without it. We're gonna add a little piece of metal.
My estimation is this much. It's a small amount, but it should do us good. Okay.
1.
Okay. So I put it in the... Ow! I hit my toe on the counter.
So your estimation was this, right?
a little.
Here, got you there.
Okay, so now you just want to mix it in. I mix it in weird. I start from one corner, pick it up, go to the top of the middle. And then I keep on repeating that formation.
Okay, so we're gonna go like split it into 3 like he did. Exactly what he said. And he said he started mixing it over. You good now?
So, yeah.
Is that enough for him? What are you laughing at? What? Nothing happened. We just need focus on getting this done.
Mine's good. Mine's a good butter slime, but
Can you stretch it? I'm trying to wield it into the slime. How do you wield it into the slime?
Macarena.
Macarena. Macarena. I do. I'm just gonna do what he did.
Mine is stretchy. Mine is absolutely done. 10 out of 10.
Is mine done? I know, I see it. I see it.
It's done.
It is. We're officially done with this video now.
Finally! Okay, so
As you can see, we use Elmer's glue, we use shaving cream, we use food coloring, baking soda, saline sugar, flavoring, and
to give that
novel
second
magic.
I hope you
enjoyed this video.
If you did, make sure to leave a like,
Subscribe,
and hit that notification bell.
Okay, see y'all next time. Bye.